Hi guys, that Girl Official here once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to do another unboxing. So I received a package today and I am super excited for this one. This is from one of my sampling campaign, which is the Influenster. And yeah, without further ado, let's open it and let's see what's inside. So Influenster sent me this Science of Collagen products. I got 4 products right here. I've heard a lot of great things, great reviews about this brand. I am super excited, so let's check it out. Neocell Hyaluronic Acid for skin hydration. This is gluten-free and has 60 capsules inside. So this is for your skin. I am super excited to try this one. This is the second product, the Keratin Hair Volumizer. This has collagen, AMLA extract, and vitamin C. Grass-fed plus keto certified. Yeah, and also this is advisable for those who are doing the keto diet. So this is our third product. This is the Overnight Collagen with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, GABA, and melatonin. Wow, so this is a 3-in-1 firm, hydrate, and restore. It is blueberry pomegranate flavor with other natural flavors. And also grass-fed and gluten-free. So this is powder dietary supplement. So you're gonna mix it with your favorite beverage or just mix it with water. I love this. I haven't tried dietary powder supplement yet. And the last but not least is the Collagen Beauty Soft Juice. Yeah, this is very interesting. Fruit punch flavor. It's like a candy dietary supplement. Again, this is grass-fed, gluten-free. I love that it has a collagen with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C that your skin needs. Yeah, I mean, our skin needs hyaluronic acid. That's very important to keep our skin, moisturized and hydrate. And also vitamin C. We need that to boost our collagen in the skin. Thank you, Influenster and Neocell, for sending me these products for me to try. Yeah, I am super excited to try this out. I will keep you guys posted and I will share my thoughts and reviews regarding about these products on my next video. Again, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Keep safe and take care. I will see you guys again on my next one.